Garmin Account Management. Garmin values your data privacy. You can set your privacy in the Garmin Connect website or Garmin Connect Mobile and Garmin Express. Garmin Connect website. Sign in your Garmin account. Select the profile photo or image in the top right corner. Select Account Settings. Select Privacy Settings. You can enable or disable related functions according to your needs. For example, storage and processing, device upload, Garmin Coach, insights. Change the status of the feature by selecting Edit. If you choose to enable or agree to the relevant features, Garmin will never share your personal data with others. Garmin Express. Connect the watch to the computer. Open Garmin Express. Select the connected device. Select Tools and Content. Select Privacy. You can change the settings according to your needs. If you need a Garmin device to upload data to Garmin Connect, select Change Upload Preferences in Connect Data Upload. Select Agree. The Garmin Device Upload function will be automatically turned on. If you need to modify your profile or Garmin account and password, select Manage Personal Data. Garmin Connect Mobile. Open Garmin Connect Mobile app. Confirm that your device is connected. Select a profile photo or image. Select Edit in the top right corner. Select Data. You can enable or disable related functions according to your needs.